Hi guys, in today's episode, my friend is going to share with us her recipe for stewed beef liver. So what you want to do is leave the liver partially frozen and cut it up into small pieces. Leaving it partially frozen actually helps you to cut it up way easier than if it was soft. You see how that knife is cutting through that? That's what you want. So after you've cut it up, washed it and prepared it, you're going to go in with some minced garlic, some green seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, some oyster sauce, some Beatty's pepper sauce or pimento pepper sauce, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, some sweet peppers. She's using red, you can use any color you want, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, some Caribbean flavors cook-up seasoning. If you don't have cook-up seasoning, you can use all-purpose seasoning, some Maggie all-purpose seasoning, and mix to combine. Once mixed in, you can marinate for minimum 1 hour. Next, you're going to put up a pot on medium heat. To that pot, add in some oil and your brown sugar. Allow the brown sugar to melt and to caramelize and get frothy. Once it starts to bubble and get a dark brown color, go in with your seasoned liver. You want to toss the meat in that caramelized sugar to coat. Next, she goes in with some ketchup, and you can use tomato paste if you don't want to use ketchup. Mix that in. Some bitters, and you can find this on Amazon or on the callaloobox.com store. And she goes in with a little bit of water. All you do now is allow this to cook for 5 to 8 minutes, and then it will be ready. So this is what the end product looks like. If you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please leave your comments for Sabrine down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed another beef recipe. You can also make this with chicken liver or any type of liver that you like. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!